Hello, and thanks for joining us this Tuesday for our daily market coverage presented by FX, your reliable partner in trading. Here's today's financial headlines.
Microsoft stock closed at $486 on Monday, marking a 1.8% gain for the day and setting a new all-time high, due to continued investor optimism around AI integration. In Monday's regular session, the Dow Jones rose 0.9%, the S&P 500 gained 1%, and the Nasdaq Composite advanced 0.9%, driven by easing geopolitical fears and strong corporate news. U.S. gasoline futures slipped to around $2.17 per gallon on Tuesday, retreating from their highest level since August 2024, as concerns over major Middle East supply disruptions subsided. The euro traded at around $1.16, hovering near the 2021 highs, as investors weigh escalating geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, inflationary risks, and the outlook for monetary policy. Ether surged nearly 9% yesterday and is currently trading at around $2,400, driven by a short-term rebound from oversold technical levels and renewed optimism in the broader crypto market. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 8 a.m., Germany to release the Business Climate Index for June, following 87.5 in May. At 12:30 p.m., the annual inflation rate in Canada is expected to decrease, after reaching 1.7% in April. At 2 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the Consumer Confidence Index of June, following 98 in May. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 6:45 a.m., France to release the Consumer Confidence Index for June, following 88 in May. At 2 p.m., the new home sales in the U.S. are expected to decrease, after reaching 10.9% in April. At 9 p.m., South Korea will release figures for the Business Confidence Index of June, following 73 in May.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by FX. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.